Today, I'll show you how to add the kaleidoscope effect in CapCut to create a unique and artistic look for your videos. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for kaleidoscope. CapCut provides different kaleidoscope effects with various patterns and styles. Simply drag and drop the one you like onto your video and you'll see the kaleidoscope effect instantly applied. To customize the effect, open the right side editing panel where you'll find two key sliders. Atmosphere adjusts the intensity and complexity of the kaleidoscope pattern. Strength controls how strong or subtle the effect appears. Play around with these sliders to get the perfect look for your project, and that's it. You've successfully added the kaleidoscope effect in CapCut. Use this effect for music videos, artistic edits, or to give your footage a fresh, creative touch. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips.